Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to install and configure Nagios 4.4.5 on CentOS 8.1. Nagios is a free and open source application which can be used for monitoring Linux or Windows servers, network infrastructures, and applications. When properly configured, it will alert you when something on your server goes wrong and then notify you again once the problem has been resolved. So now, let's proceed with the installation process of Nagios on CentOS. First of all, here I am check the install version of OS on my system, cat/etc/. It's CentOS 8.3 version. Now install the required dependencies. Now give yes. Installing the packages. Once all the process have been completed, now I will create a new Nagios user using user-add command. Now create a group. Next, add both the Nagios user and the Apache user to the Nagios CMD group. User mode -G Nagios CMD. Now I am adding Apache user mode. Download the Nagios Core 4.4.5 and Nagios plugins. First move to directory. Now download the Nagios 4.4.5 latest package using wget. It's downloaded. Now download the plugins. Now it's downloaded. Now we need to extract these files. Now I'm going to extract the plugins. Now we'll check here. There all the files have been, the two files is the tar files. Now it's extracted. Now I'm moving to the Nagios 4.4.5 directory. Now here run the config file. After configuring, we need to compile and install all the binaries with the make all and make install command. So I'm using make all. It will compile all the binaries file, and after doing I will make install. Then we'll install all the binaries file we are required. Now compilation has been done. I will use to make install to install all the files. Installation has been complete. Now we will install the init script for Nagios. Make install init. Now to make Nagios to work from command line, we need to install command mode. Now it's configured. Next, install sample Nagios file. This is the sample file. It installed. Now I'm going to customizing Nagios configuration. Open the context.config file and set the email address associated with the Nagios admin contact definition to receive the email alerts. So we have to move that location. Now I'm going to install and configure the web interface for Nagios. To access the web interface for the Nagios, we have to create password and user administration. Give your password here. Now compile and install Nagios plugins. Now I'm moving to the location where I have downloaded the Nagios plugins. Now install it. Now compile the file using make command. Now compilation has been done. Now make install to install required package. After all the configuration have been done, now we'll verify Nagios configuration. It is prompted that things looks okay. Now add Nagios service to system startup to make it enable. Now Apache service to make it enable. Now restart the Nagios. Now go to the browser and log in into Nagios web interface. Now enter your IP. Give your username, password, login. It will lead to your Nagios homepage. This is the Nagios Core web dashboard. Now if you want to host view, you can move to the host. This is the host view. To check services, we have to move in the services part. These are all the services. This is the Nagios tactical status overview. From this method, we can monitor all the network activity here. Now go to the map view. Here all the Nagios process with all detail have been shown here. So this is the method to install Nagios on CentOS 8.3. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.